Make a great choice today with the 2017 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.